Hello guys, welcome to Jeff's Garage Adventures. You like tools? This is your channel. I do lots and lots of tool reviews, mostly middle of the road, as well as some low end and high end sprinkled in as well. And I also do some car tech tips and repairs. What do we got here today? K-Tool International. That's the brand, K-Tool for short. These are their 8-piece screwdriver sets. I bought, these 3 sets right here are new. These are going to be giveaways, but I bought a set of the red ones last year, actually beginning of last year, so over probably about a year and a half ago. And I have them in my toolbox, and I really, really like them. Okay, now, what are the prices on these? Well, the prices fluctuate on Amazon. Right now, the red ones are out of stock on Amazon. It's too bad, because the red ones those are the ones I like the best. That's what I have in my toolbox. The green ones are $27. Still, that's a pretty good price. But hear me on this, guys. These black ones here, you like black and you're interested in these screwdrivers? They're $17. You can't beat that price with a stick. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. If you're interested in these guys, I'm going to tell you what. Buy them right away. Because whenever I do a tool review, either that price is going to go up or they're going to get out of stock. It happens all the time. I kid you not. All right. Let's bring them up to the camera here. K-Tool is in the house. Let's take a gander. What do we got here? Oh, we got a blurry camera. All right. You get eight screwdrivers here. You get 5 straight blade, and you get 3 of the Phillips. You get the 3/8 blade 8 inches long. You get the 5/16 blade 6 inches long. The 1/4 inch blade 4 inches long. The 3/16 blade 3 inches long. And the 1/4 inch blade stubby 1.5 inches long. And yes, they are made in Taiwan. They do come with this tray. The tray is nothing great, but you could use it. It's got cardboard underneath it. On the Phillips side, you get number 2, 4 inches long. Number 1, 3 inches long, and number 2 stubby, 1.5 inches long. All right, let's pull up the straight blade here. The handles are a lot like the old Snap-on, no doubt about it. Warning, never use a pry bar or a chisel. A lot of screwdrivers say that. I think a screwdriver is one of the tools that we most misuse. They tend to get used for everything but what they're intended for. They do got the bolsters, the hex bolsters to put a wrench on, and all the bigger sizes. The tips are vapor blasted. They are chrome vanadium. Again, they're made in Taiwan. They are not junk. Let's pick a number 2 Phillips, because the number 2 Phillips is one that we're all going to use. The only negative thing I can say about these is I always tell my subscribers the truth. The handles are on the small side. So if you've got big hands, these might not be for you. I don't mind them. I'll give you an idea. Here's a Mac, like the old Snap-on. The handle's a little bit bigger. It's not horribly small, these screwdrivers, but they are smaller a little bit. I just want you to be aware of that. If you're interested, they are a little smaller. Other than that, they're a nice little screwdriver. That's got the hex on it to put a wrench on it. You always look to see that. You don't see that in cheaper sets, guys. I'm not sure if the tan goes all the way through. Obviously, there's no striking cap in the back. They're not demolition screwdrivers. They are vapor blasted. They do hold a screwdriver very, very well. Let's put a screw on here. And they seem to hold it pretty well. I do like the way it fits. It comes down to performance. They seem like they perform pretty well all the times I've used them, and the handles feel pretty good in my hands. I like hard handles. I just like the way they feel in my hands. And if you like that type of handle, these definitely would be worth a look, guys. I'm sure there's going to be a couple guys out there that like the green. Green is like the Vim green. Either you love that color or you hate it. There's no in between, guys, with that color, right? Either you love them or you hate it. Oh, simple as that. These are not a bad looking screwdriver. The price is fantastic. let's look at a red one. This is the color I like the best, the red. But these are out of stock. Bummer, because I think you guys would like. They say orange, but I always look at them as they're red. But maybe I'm colorblind. I don't know. Good looking screwdriver though, guys. You can't get the red ones right now. These are going to be giveaways, or I got a giveaway coming up, and these are in the giveaway. I gave everybody's going to get a choice what they want. There was like 10 different things in there. This was 3 of the things, but excuse me, guys. I've been using them. The red ones I got for over almost a year and a half, and I like them. And the black ones, guys, are $17. You can't beat that with a stick. You want the black ones? You better jump on it today. All right, guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had a request for this, so I did it. What's coming up next? Flex head ratchet wrenches is coming up. And I got to finish off my half-inch drive ratchet series as well. And there'll be some more USA made tools coming as well. All right, guys, have a great day. And take care. And you like those black ones? You got to move fast. All right, take care.